Hello everyone, so I'm going to donate random people here in history. So I'm going to donate that first. I'm also new YouTuber beginner. So mag-donate day taron. Hindi na po ito kung saan niya. Bilan naman Robux mo bilhin. Oh, 25 Robux. Ano na ako? Mga pulpul. Mag-spare Robux na kayo. Wala ko yung mabuhat akong Robux. Pero kung hindi na kayo I mean, gamit na Robux. Gamay na. Dadadadan. Baguro ko, so I really don't know what to say now. So, sabot siya ko i-video ka rin. Inano yung guro ang mga beginners? Ata? Para sa ako, inano yung beginners? Wait! Nadunitan. Cutie. Saying Queen. Ang mamili nito. Wala mo na ito tayo makuha sa 2 Robux. Pero gura. That's her. That's all she wants. Gamay rin ko mga dunitan. Gamay ko Robux ang mamili mga 40 plus or 50. Then, spend na mga spare na ako. They need Robux then. Char. Subscribe movie. Patay ka lang po. Subscribe and like guys. To all you want. What I mean in this video is I'm going to donate random people in this server. In this donate server. Well, balik-balik na ako sa may box left. Ayaw ko tumas. May pending pa naman. Ito na makasabot sa mga bisaya, no? Ito na bang bisaya? No. Ngayon data 5. I think this guy will gonna die. Then let's help him. I'm gonna donate him na lang. Subscribe even though this video is made. Don't worry, I'm gonna give Robux to you guys. I think I'm gonna do live soon. So, thank you. So, her avatar is cute. So that's all guys, thank you.